Hi, everyone. It's Lynette Zhang. I'm with ITM Trading, the Chief Market Analyst, and we're kicking off the new year. I hope everybody had a happy and safe new year. So debt issuance so far in 2017 looks to be a banner year. A lot of this is because of the anticipated rate rises that are coming this year. And the reason why we really care about those rate rises is because we don't know what that level is, but it's the derivatives that are tied to interest rates. So far, today's the 4th. So far, there's been 21 billion in global debt issued in 2017. Good job, guys. But a story that I really want to continue on, we've been talking about what's happening in India with the government demonetizing the 2 largest bills and then confiscating gold. And in another twist, you have the government that is pushing nationalism on the country. So this is a quote that comes from the Supreme Court. "A time has come. The citizens of the country must realize they live in a nation and are duty bound to show respect to the national anthem, which is the symbol of constitutional patriotism and inherent national quality." The order continues. "It does not allow any different notion or the perception of individual rights." So they're pushing nationalism because they want you to agree to everything. Now,
Can you bring that closer to the camera? Please?
Yes, absolutely. I'm sorry. Can you see that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are what I said on the bottom.
You have to keep it up for a couple seconds.
Okay, so India's Supreme Court ordered all movie theaters to play the national anthem with the flag at every single film, because hearing the anthem would instill feelings of patriotism and nationalism, reflecting love and respect for the motherland. I don't know how you feel about this, but forcing people to stand for the national anthem while you are robbing them of their life and livelihood, this is my opinion, they've demonetized 85% of the currency in this nation because they're expecting the population to go along with it. But they're getting some pushback, and they don't want that pushback. So they are on a huge campaign for nationalism. We are going to keep our eye on this. This personally scares me quite a bit. But we cannot forget lovely Greece. I'll come in there because now they call it a soft cash ban, where they will only allow tax deductions through payments via plastic money. Okay, I'm going to put this back up there. Can you see that part down on the bottom?
A little bit closer.
A little bit closer?
I'll take it.
Okay. So you can see that if you're earning 10,000 euros, you have to spend at least 10% of your annual income on credit cards. They're trying to push everybody into electronic money because that's so much easier to control. 15% for annual incomes 10 to 30 euros and 20% for annual incomes over 30,000 euros. So really what they're doing is they are forcing the population to use e-money, intangible money. In addition, about a year ago, and I haven't been able to find anything on it, I did just recently find something on it, where Greece is demanding that every single household report every single tangible asset as well as intangible assets that they hold. So that means that if it were me, I would have to declare all of this, even though my father gave my mother this. This was a family, not an heirloom, but it's something that I inherited. I would have to declare that. I'm going to be doing more about Greece because if you want to see what it looks like under the auspices of the Troika or the IMF and the central bankers, the bankers, this is a great example of it. So that's the latest on Greece, that they are going into a soft cash ban, and It will be mandatory starting next year that every single household list every single asset and instrument that they possess and changes that occur almost as they occur. So this is going to be an interesting year. Next week, we have the webinar on the crisis, the bail-in, and the SDR. It's a good one. I've been working on it. Come visit us. If you can get an invitation, if you come to our website, like us on Facebook, and subscribe. Till next time, have a great day. Bye, everyone.